The Briggs & Riley HTA Sling bag offers versatility with its adjustable strap, allowing it to be worn crossbody or as a hip pack, making it perfect for various activities like walking, running, or hiking. Crafted from durable ballistic nylon and featuring breathable mesh back padding, this sling bag ensures both comfort and long-lasting wear, ideal for daily use or active adventures. With a hidden back security pocket, the bag provides a discreet and functional storage solution, keeping your valuables safe and essentials well organized. The bag is designed with thoughtful details, including durable, self-repairing YKK zippers for smooth access and a discreet side pocket for easy storage of wireless earbuds or small items. Briggs & Riley has crafted this sling bag for long-term use using high-grade materials and offers a lifetime repair service for damage from normal use, allowing you to travel with confidence. The sleek black design of the HTA Sling bag combines style and functionality, making it an excellent choice for both men and women who value both aesthetics and practicality.